Okay. And then here's my group. Okay. All right. Hi, my name is Amerlyn Suzy, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a homemade lava lamp with ingredients you can find in your cupboard. So you have vegetable oil. You can find any, like, your own vegetable oil pretty much anywhere. Store-bought, store brand, whatever you want. White vinegar preferably, because you do add your food coloring to it to add color and pizzazz to it. And baking soda, it doesn't have to be name brand, which is good because it doesn't matter. And a clear jar, bottle, or any preference of what you want. Just make sure it is clear because otherwise you can't see what you're doing. So to start this experiment, be sure that you are using safety first because, like I said, baking soda and vinegar don't mix, they explode. And if you don't know what elephant paste is, it does basically that, except much bigger and things you don't want to happen. So I know because I did this. So we're going to start with your baking soda in your jar. I don't want it going everywhere. So we're going to go over a trash can and do this. And it's going to be 3 or 4 scoops, but be sure that it's evenly spaced out in your bottle so that whenever you, it's going everywhere. Whenever you put your oil in there and then you go to add your vinegar, it doesn't stick to the bottom, your color doesn't explode, and because if that happens, then it won't be a lava lamp anymore. It'll just be a jar full of oil and color. There we go. And this is going to be my third one. Okay, so 3 scoops of baking soda, and then you're going to add your oil into your jar and leave enough room at the top so that your vinegar mixture has enough time to fall, rise, and then bubble back up, which is a pretty fun thing to watch. And I'll move it so y'all can see it. Okay. I leave about this much room from the top to the bottom. That way you have a full lava lamp and not like a halfway filled one. And then you're going to take your vinegar mixture, which looks like water, unfortunately, and put whatever color you want. I'm going to do red because I like the color red. And then mix it up. If you're doing this with a bowl, you can mix it with your spoon that you're going to use. But you can also just use it regularly. So this is bubbling up because baking soda is actually like acidic, so kind of like soda, and it's really cool. And then you can pour that in there, and it bubbles at the bottom, and then comes right back up. You can also use a lot of different colors. Red is just the easiest to use. Don't explode. And then you put your cap back on. And there you go. You have your very own lava lamp. And if you put your flashlight under it, it looks so cool. But there you go. And it bubbles up. And then that's how you make a homemade lava lamp from scratch using 4 simple ingredients that you can find in your home. So yeah, thank you